Boss, may nililigawan ako almost 3 years na. 3 months lang kami nagchat-chat. Situationship, kumbaga the rest ay no contact na kami. Before no contact, sinabi niya sa akin kung makapaghintay ba ako and I said yes. Palagi naman kami nagkikita at feel ko naman na may feeling siya sa akin. Even her circle of friends, kilala ako. They tease us always pag magkasama kami. Sabi pa ng kapatid niya ay may feelings daw siya sa akin. Kilala na rin ako ng parents niya. After 2 years, bigla siyang nag-chat na what if pwede na? Anong gagawin ko para makapag-reconnect sa kanya kahit in-unfollow ko siya sa lahat ng SOCMED ko? Ngayong May ay gagraduate na siya. Shall I make a first move na? Bro, what are you waiting for pa? Go on and reach out to her na. If a woman reaches out to you, always assume that they want to see you. So in this case, she reached out to you. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin nun, gusto kanyang makita at makasama. Hindi malinaw dito sa message mo kung ano ba talaga yung main reason kung bakit kayo nag-break up before or kung bakit nahinto yung panliligaw mo sa kanya. But the important thing is, she is reaching out to you na. So sa sitwasyon mo ngayon, all you have to do is ask her out on a date na. And remember, ask her out on a romantic evening date. Hindi yung pa-coffee-coffee lang, pa-lunch out lang. Those are friendly dates lang kasi. And if you take them out on a friendly date, then she will treat you as a friend lang din. So make sure na kung i-invite mo siya sa date, make it a romantic evening date. Then during your date, make sure to seduce her. Make small advances towards her so you can get closer and closer to her until you end up inside of her. Alam niya na ibig sabihin nun. So yeah, ngayon na nagre-reach out na siya sa'yo, this is actually a good chance for you to show up. Pwede mo siyang i-chat, tawagan, ganun. And then keep your conversation short lang. Mga 2 to 3 messages back and forth. Okay na yun. And then ask her out on a date na kaagad. At this point, I'm sure papayag naman siya sa invite mo kasi siya ngayong unang nag-reach out sa'yo, diba? And then eventually, if you do everything right sa mga dates mo sa kanya, jackpot ka na tol. Magiging kayo na niyan. Well, I hope nakatulong sa inyo and follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.